Hi, and welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. Welcome to, if you're new, or welcome if you are a subscriber. I'm so glad you all are here. Today, let's just get in and clean up this mess together. If you've got a mess or you've got somewhere in your home you need to take care of, let's do this together. I had the whole family over last night and we had a beautiful dinner. And I was so tired at the end of the night, I said, just leave it. I'm going to film tomorrow and I'm going to just wait until tomorrow to clean this up. So let's get in and let's do this together. I always like to just make a list of all of the things that I want to get done. And I realize when I make those lists that maybe I'm not going to get everything done, but I'm going to get a majority. So like I did today, I checked everything off. The only thing I did not get to was mopping the floors. And I can do that later tonight after my granddaughter leaves, or, at the end of the evening, I can do that really quick. But I did get everything vacuumed, which was my main goal. And, so sometimes you don't get everything done, but that's okay. You just know that you have that on your list to do, either later or, when time allows.
I don't wanna feel this way, but it's not that easy. You're complicating things for me. No, it's not that easy. Maybe just a little time can heal me, but it doesn't feel the way. What are you doing to me? Why'd you break my heart? Left me in the dark, dark. Why'd you have to go? I don't wanna feel this way.
I always start in the kitchen. Whenever I have a big mess like this, the kitchen is just my place. I just can't, I have to have it clean. So it's kind of always my starting point. It's one of those domino chores that, if I get that done, I just feel like I can tackle everything else. What is your domino chore?
I could be with you. I'm still breathing. It's not easy. I'm just a fool for you. I'm just a fool for you. I hope you'll come back to me. Yeah, I'm just that stupid. Thought that we were meant to be. Yeah, I'm just that stupid. Maybe just a little time can make you change your mind about us. I thought that we were meant to be. Why'd you break my heart? Left me in the dark, dark. Why'd you have to go? I don't wanna feel this way. Though I'm broken, I'm still hoping I could be with you.
high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes. Something in my mind tells me it's easy to make it come around. I think you want me the same way I want you, almost so easy. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. No, it's true. Could do the things you do just like you. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same? 'Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes. I got high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble act and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. What did you expect now? That you feel better? That down those simple lies wouldn't cut you down. What do you regret now? Thinking you were clever. Down those little lies. Lie, lie, baby, won't you lie, lie? Getting enough of this. My love don't come for free. I got enough of you. Ooh, ooh. Thinking that I'ma quit. You gotta keep it real. I got enough of you. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Liar, baby, you're such a liar. Singing out loud to the choir. Liar, 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 liar. Baby, I'm tired. Trying to put out my fire. You didn't know I'm a liar. And you're a liar, 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 babe. Buy me a river. Talking in silver. You know it's been a while since you came around. Look in the mirror. Are you getting bitter? Don't you come around? No more, baby, no, no more. Getting enough of this. My love don't come for free. I got enough of you. Ooh, ooh. Thinking that I'ma quit. You gotta keep it real. I got enough of you. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Liar, baby, you're such a liar. Singing out loud to the choir. Liar, 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 liar. Baby, I'm tired. Trying to put out my fire. You didn't know I'm a liar. And you're a liar, 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 babe. La 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 la, liar, 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 babe. La 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 la, liar, liar, liar. La 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 la, liar, 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 babe. La 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 la, liar. Only photographs is what we have of what is left of us. Left of us. You don't think things through. No, I know you. Only photographs is what we have. Liar, baby, you're such a liar. Singing out loud to the choir. Liar, 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 liar. Baby, I'm tired. Trying to put out my fire. You didn't know I'm a liar. And you're a liar, 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 babe. La 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 la, liar, liar, babe. La 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 la.
One of my main things I wanted to do, other than, obviously clean up the house, I didn't do deep cleans. I just wanted to get just a cleanup. You know what I mean? I didn't have the time. I get my granddaughter at noon, and I just didn't have the time to do deep cleans, but I just wanted to pick everything up and, get it back in order. But my main thing I wanted to do was these rugs. And I have this, it's the Hoover PetSmart. I'm going to link it down below in case you're in need of one. It is a smaller scale carpet cleaner, or carpet cleaner, primarily for rugs. Now, the only room in my house that I have carpet is in my bedroom, and I did just recently use it in my bedroom, so it is usable, but I had to fill the tank up like 3 times. You know what I mean? So it primarily is for like spot cleaning rugs, but I really like it. It's lightweight, it's easy to use, it's easy to dump out. This family room rug, you can tell when I move the furniture what the coloring used to be, a real creamy, and it's more like a gray now around, but I got a lot of dirt out of that, and so I'm grateful and thankful for that. And it may not be absolutely perfect, but it feels cleaner, it feels better to me. I also did that. I also cleaned my kitchen rug and my pantry rug. So I got a lot of dirt out of there. It feels so much better, and I feel good about it.
I was facing all the sunlight while our feet swung freely from the bridge. I'd save you if you were crazy enough to take a swim, a swim. I try to make you see that my shoulder is ready for you to lean on. So why, oh why do you still flee when you know that you are the one? I can tell that you've been through some kind of heartbreak. All I ever been with you is faithful like a blind girl's dog. Every time I give you love, you still look so doubtful. I'm faithful like a blind girl's
Well, I hope I gave you some motivation to get in there and get some things done, and I hope you cleaned along with me. I wish you would let me know in the comments below what you worked on today, and if I was a motivation to you, because that's my whole goal. We've all got things to get done, and in time frames. I have about a 3-hour window in the morning when I can get some things, really get in and get things done. And then I also have in the evening. So, I took this opportunity to just really get in there and get some stuff done. I hope you did as well. I hope you guys have a really great day, and I just appreciate you being here with me. Take care, and I will see you in the next one.
faithful like a blind girl's dog. You got some trust issues, though I admit it's cute, but there's too many disputes with you. Once and for all,